fear and anxiety and uncertainty in the minds of the people of Goa, arising from the prolonged delays in execution of key roads infrastructure projects across the state, has also been flagged by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India. So several critical roads works, including highways, bypasses and connecting roads, were pole-lining of Zuari Bridge approach to Margam bypass, highway expansion, Pondaru Bomba, which are vital for public safety, economic activity, tourism activity. They daily commuting and reportedly running far behind the approved timelines. In some cases, more than a year. These delays have resulted in incomplete stretches, unsafe diversions, traffic bottlenecks, frequent accidents, and severe inconvenience to citizens, particularly students, workers, patients, and emergency services. Honorable Speaker, infrastructure is the backbone of development, and such prolonged delays not only escalate project costs but also expose the public to daily risk. The people are anxious to know when these works will be actually completed and who will be accountable for the delay. I therefore seek to ask the Honorable Minister concerned the concrete steps the government intends to take to take responsibility for delay, ensuring time-bound completion of ongoing road projects and restore public confidence by ensuring safety and transparency in infrastructure execution in the Goa state of Goa.
Business copy.
Anxiety raised by my colleague Sri Nilesh Cabral, I will take all the steps to see that whatever he has asked for, I will take an action.